Hello and welcome to another update video about the DXY. Yesterday only I made you aware that we could at any moment have bottomed out here locally in what I believe is a wave A of a larger ABC correction of the DXY. So the DXY started its decline here in the middle of October. We talked at the time about a possible top being in place here and that the $110 level, should we break it, that would lead to a strong decline. As soon as that broke, you can see here around the 9th and the 10th of November, we dropped quite significantly. If we now zoom out, because in the last video I didn't show you the longer time frame view, but if we go back to, well, let's go to the weekly chart, possibly rather even the monthly chart, you can actually see that I believe that the DXY topped, and I don't have the entire chart history on here, but the DXY topped in a wave 3 in 1985 and then had a very, very long ABC correction down in a wave 4 here in 2008. And then it started to move up in what I believe is a leading diagonal. So within that, I don't even have it on the chart here, but within this wave 5, let me just add it here, within this wave 5, and it will take years to play out. So long-term bullish on the dollar, yeah. As you can see, wave 3 up, wave 4 down, and now in a wave 5. This wave 5 consists of 5 waves. And this here, this 5-wave move to the upside, in my opinion, completed a wave 1. It is most likely finished in my view. So this is a wave 1. We will come down in a wave 2, yeah, and then we should move up in a wave 3. But the wave 2 correction will take quite a while to play out, yeah. So wave 1 up could be done now, yeah, when we peaked here around $115, and then the wave 2 down has started now with an A wave, and followed that by that should be a wave 3, and then it should be a wave 4 and a wave 5. But then we talk about, you know, years in the future. If we now zoom in, you can see here actually the wave 1, yeah. Here you can see the wave 2. So it suggests that this as a leading diagonal could really be finished. We never broke above this channel to the upside, and we've got 5 waves complete to the upside. So everything's fine. Yeah, this doesn't need to push any higher. It could do, and I'm going to show you a bullish alternative possibility as well, but this is not my primary expectation. My primary expectation is indeed that the DXY has topped and that we're now coming down in a, basically in a larger correction in a wave A. So let me show you the shorter time frame. Let's go to the daily chart. My primary expectation is this one here, yeah, that we indeed came down with this from this high, yeah, that I consider personally a truncated wave 5 high. We then moved down in a wave A, we moved up in a B wave, and we're now coming down in a C wave. My interpretation of this is that we've got 5 waves complete already. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th wave. This could stretch down lower still, yeah. It could stretch down lower. There is, if I really look at the subwaves, there is an interpretation to say that we've got, and I go to the 4-hour chart. So I can move these in different ways, yeah. So I could also say that we had the wave 1, the wave 1 done here, the wave 2 here, and we've got another 1-2 setup. Within this 1-2 setup, then we've got the wave 3 here, yeah, the wave 4 here, and the wave 5 here. But it means that I would have to add another layer of waves. I hope that's clear. I'm going to show you that once more, because we want to account for subwaves as well. And that's the challenge with Elliott waves, that we want to get the subwaves correct as well. So 1-2 setup here. Within this one, or within this wave 3, then we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this could have bottomed only in 3 then. Yeah, I didn't get the waves here correct, not like that. Yeah, no, make that smaller. 5 waves down, completed only a wave 3. There should now be ideally a wave 4 up and another leg down, yeah. I don't think we've bottomed yet, not if I consider these subwaves. It's possible, but the best information that we can get now, if we have really bottomed out, oops, no, I didn't want to delete these subwaves, is if we take a look at the retracement now. Yeah, because I can obviously draw the fib levels for this wave 3, and then you can actually see that the 50% retracement is sort of the maximum that this blue wave 4 should do. That's why I said in the last video as well that the range, if we get above $108, it will be a very strong indication that we have already bottomed. Because if we push higher in this wave 4, a wave 4 would not normally go above $108. So it is really this move, getting above that level, that would indicate that a bottom has been made and that we will not get this blue wave 5 anymore. And in fact, it would indicate that we are then in a B wave. Now, how high will this B wave really go? Well, not necessarily as high as I've indicated here on the chart, but I currently count this move down as an ABC. So it means the A wave is part of a flat pattern. A flat pattern means that the B wave normally retraces quite a lot. So you would expect the B wave, let's say from here, yeah, you would then expect the B wave to retrace into the region between, let's say, the 61.8 retracement and the 88.7% retracement. Yeah, it's a bit hard to say with a B wave, but it's part of a flat, so the B wave is normally quite strong. And afterwards we should see the wave C to the downside. Okay, so this is sort of the move up would probably bring some of these, some other assets down as well. Okay. So this is my primary expectation. There is also a more bullish interpretation, which would indicate that we actually haven't bottomed yet, but that we have only done here a local low and will move higher. So it would indicate that, and I go to the daily chart for that, take the fibs out, it would indicate that actually what I've got up here, yeah, and I won't show you all the different wave cuts, but it would indicate that we've topped here only in a wave 3. Yeah, that we are coming down in an ABC pattern as already shown to you, but this ABC is not an A wave, it's actually a wave 4, which would then lead in another impulse to a wave 5. So the B wave will be a corrective wave to the upside, consisting of 3 subwaves. The wave 5 would be an impulse. So that is how we can actually distinguish between them. In any case, yeah. And by the way, if we consider this a wave 4, it most likely has bottomed already. If we consider what I've just said, it means that yes, we could drop a little bit lower, depending on which scenario we look at. But then in both scenarios, I very, very shortly would expect a turnaround to the upside. Actually quite a strong one that could take us into the region 110, 112, 115 US dollars, yeah? And if it is really a wave 5, it could even push higher. And then the level I'm looking at would be here most likely the B wave high from 2001, which is at $121. So if we really have seen here a wave 3 up, a wave 4 down, and a wave 5 is still to come, it could very well push to $121. Yeah, so in both scenarios, I very shortly expect a turnaround to the upside and then another drop. Okay, but these two scenarios differ in how strong is the move to the upside going to be. Is it a B wave, but also that should be quite strong? Or is it a wave 5 that should take it above the $115 level? I'll keep you updated about the DXY. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.